Hello dears, welcome to Entertainment with Anas. In this video we are going to tell you about 30 amazing facts about Starbucks. It's no question that Starbucks is one of the most well-known coffee brands in the world. It's hard to go through a shopping center without finding at least one. Even so, this popular brand has humble beginnings that quickly grew in notoriety. Find out about America's favorite coffee brand with these top 30 facts about Starbucks. Starbucks was founded by two teachers and a writer, all without any of them even having a business degree. The first Starbucks was opened in Pike Place Market, Seattle in 1971. In Starbucks, Washington, there is not a single branch of Starbucks coffee. Every scene in the movie Fight Club shows a cup of Starbucks. The name Starbucks from the name of the first mate in Moby Dick. Originally, they nearly named it after the boat in the book called the Pequod. The logo of this famous company, the siren, is supposed to be symbolism representing the seductive power of coffee. Originally, the siren on the logo was much racier, with full chest showing, and didn't become the PG version we know today until 1992. In Saudi Arabia, the Starbucks stores are built with a wall to separate women and men, and the woman was removed from the logo. There are some US Navy aircraft carries with Starbucks on board. Starbucks admits that there is no real reason behind the names of their sizes, tall and venti. They were made up in a conference room. Just weeks after Starbucks formed its own record label, Hear Music, it was able to draw Paul McCartney over to singing with them in 2007. There is a Starbucks on site at the CIA's Langley campus, where the baristas undergo more detailed background checks, and no names are used for their drinks due to security. The baristas are not even allowed to leave without a CIA escort. Since 1987, Starbucks has added an average of 2 stores per day to their locations. When you could first buy shares in Starbucks, you could buy in for just $17. Nowadays, shares are worth closer to $80. The highest concentration of Starbucks is in Santa Fe Springs, California. There are 560 Starbucks stores within 25 miles. The amount of Starbucks employees is over double the amount of the population of Greenland. Starbucks has 137,000 employees, while the population of Greenland is just 56,000. On average, a typical Starbucks customer visits the store 6 times per month, but 20% of customers visit Starbucks loyally about 16 times per month. There are more than 87,000 drink combinations on the Starbucks menu. The largest size at Starbucks, the Trenta, is slightly bigger than your stomach. The average stomach capacity is 900 ml, while the Trenta holds 916 ml. A cup of grande coffee at Starbucks has 320 milligrams of caffeine, which is more than 4 times the amount of caffeine than found in a Red Bull. Adak, Alaska is the farthest you can possibly get from a Starbucks in America. If you were there and craving a frappuccino, you would have to travel 1044 miles to get one. On the other hand, if you were to go through New York to Philadelphia, you will never be more than 10 miles away from a Starbucks. Interestingly enough, Starbucks spends more on healthcare insurance for their employees than they spend on coffee beans. A cinnamon chip cone at Starbucks has more calories than a McDonald's quarter pounder. Every year, Starbucks uses about 2.3 billion paper cups. In Squaw Valley, California, there is a Starbucks with a sky-through, so skiers don't have to take off their equipment. The most expensive drink ever ordered was a pumpkin spice latte with 101 shots of espresso. It was at $93.58. Starbucks has found small tables specifically to make solo customers feel less alone. If a new Starbucks moves into a neighborhood, the property values in the area increase by double the normal rate. Employees are asked to not wear perfume or cologne so as not to interfere with the smell of their freshly ground coffee. There you have it. You have got the hot steamy spill on Starbucks coffee. It's pretty incredible to think about how big the business has really become. Guys, we hope that you like our video. Kindly subscribe to our channel Entertainment with Anas. Share our video with your friends too. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.